Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials: battery above 20%, phone Bluetooth enabled, and the lock powered. Once done, open the official app and sign in so settings sync. Make sure the door is open and the lock is within about 3 feet of your phone to ensure reliable pairing. Tap Add Device now. Follow the on-screen pairing prompt. You're starting the connection process because proximity and a logged-in app prevent common handshake failures and speed the setup. You now configure how the lock behaves and who can enter. First, give the lock a clear name and choose an auto-lock delay. 30 to 60 seconds is typical to avoid slamming doors. Next, create user codes or virtual keys and assign schedules so guests or cleaners have time-limited access. If your model supports a Wi-Fi bridge, enable it to allow remote control. This adds convenience and notifications. These settings control security and convenience, so spend a few minutes tailoring them to your routine. You finish by thoroughly testing and validating the setup. Perform 3 lock and unlock cycles using the app, keypad, and physical key so you confirm all methods work. Check the access logs and notifications to ensure events register correctly, and recalibrate the motor in settings if the bolt misaligns. If anything goes wrong, pairing errors or missed commands, reboot the lock, restart your phone, then retry pairing. This often clears glitches. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.